Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a trade offer on Steam to someone who isn't on your friends list. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where you can access all your account features. Now, on your profile page, look over to the right panel. You'll see several options listed there, and you want to click on Inventory. Your inventory is where all your Steam items, trading cards, and game collectibles are stored, and it's the hub for managing your trades. Once you're in your inventory, stay in that same right panel and click on Trade Offers. This section controls all your trading activity and settings, allowing you to manage who can send you offers and how you can initiate trades with others. In the right panel again, look for the option that says Who can send me trade offers and click on it. This is where you'll find your personal trade settings and the all-important trade URL that makes trading with non-friends possible. Next, navigate to the trade URL section. Here you'll see a unique link that's specifically tied to your account. Go ahead and copy this trade URL link. This link is what allows people who aren't on your friends list to send you trade offers directly, bypassing the usual friend requirement. Now, send this copied link to the person you want to trade with and ask them to open a web browser and paste the link you just sent. When they paste it into their browser, it will take them directly to a page where they can initiate a trade offer with you. Here's something important to note. You might see a message that says you cannot send a trade offer to yourself if you're testing this with your own link, which is exactly what happened when I pasted my own trade URL. But when your non-friend pastes the URL link you sent them, they'll see a page that enables them to send you trade offers even though you're not connected as Steam friends. Before wrapping up, here's a critical point you need to understand. You can only send a Steam trade offer to someone who is not your friend if they have public trade settings or a trade link enabled. Additionally, their inventory must be set to public. If their inventory is private, the trade simply won't go through, so make sure both of you have the correct privacy settings configured. And that's it, you've now set up everything needed to trade with non-friends on Steam using your trade URL. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.